how to reset your MacBook Air back to its factory settings. So you may want to consider doing this if you're selling your MacBook or you just want to go and get a fresh start. Now, first thing you need to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side and then just press System Settings. Now, first thing you want to do is click on General from the left hand side and then scroll down this page and select Time Machine. You can then press Add Backup Disk. And what I'd recommend doing is backing up all of your data before you go and erase everything. So you'll need to connect an external drive to your MacBook. And once you have this connected, you'll be able to back up and restore your data later on. Now, to go and actually erase your MacBook, click on General from the left-hand side, scroll down to the very bottom and select Transfer or Reset. Now press Erase All Content and Settings, and then you'll just need to enter your MacBook password to confirm these changes, and then you can go through the steps to reset your MacBook back to its factory settings.